Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today is going to be something just really laid back. I wanted to give an update to my project pan that I started. If you saw my recent post on the community tab, I've been a little bummed because things have just been happening and I haven't been able to last few weeks, and it's really just a bummer because my goal was to post twice a week, but life happens, and even right now I got Luke, who is refusing to nap. So if you hear the crinkling around, that's him eating a snack next to me. So we are going to try to get through this as quickly as possible, but I wanted to get something up for you guys, and I want to keep making progress on this project pan. Here are the products that I have in the project pan. If you haven't seen the intro video, I will link that in the cards above for you. But what I pretty much just decided to do was like a rolling project pan, and the theme is 24 by 2024. I don't have exactly 24 products to start, but my goal is to just either finish, well, a combination of finish and or declutter 24 project by 2024. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started with the two products that I did finish up. So the first one being this mascara by e.l.f. This is the Big Mood Mascara. I did like this, super affordable, but all done, ready to get rid of that. The other product that I used up was this Milani Illuminating Primer called Bright Side. I did like this a lot. I don't know if it was much of a primer. To me, it was more of a moisturizer, but I did enjoy it. And so that one is all used up. So now I just want to give you an update on some of the other products I've been able to make progress on. So this Essence Luminous Matte Bronzer, I do really like this one, and you'll be able to tell from my previous video that I have been working on this and have hit a lot more pan. I already had hit pan on it, but I've definitely expanded it, and I do just really like this. Unfortunately, I think it's discontinued. This Wet n Wild Color Icon Blush in the shade The Princess Daiquiris. I do like this one. I've been using it almost every day. I'm sure I'm about to hit pan on it soon, but I haven't seen any yet, but I'm gonna keep working on this one. This Milani Luminoso blush. It's definitely a favorite. You can see major pan. I'm just gonna keep working on this one. This e.l.f. Monochromatic, this is kind of like a cream blush. There's not too much left in it. I'm gonna keep working on it. It's not my favorite, but it is kind of like a product that you can use as both a blush and highlight because it has some shimmer to it. Gonna keep working on that one. Next, this Physicians Formula Stick Bronzer, a cream bronzer. I do like this one. I kind of forgotten about it. I'll have to make a point to keep using it. There's a good bit left in it. I do like it. I just have other cream bronzers that I like better, so I want to get some good use out of this, but I might just end up decluttering this one. Next, I'll talk about some of the highlighters. This Laura Geller one in, what is this, French Vanilla Portofino. I love this one. I've been using this one almost every day for like whether it's just a normal highlight or an inner corner highlight. I love it and I use it a lot, but I feel like these like baked products, you can see they're like domed. I don't know if you can see that. So I just feel like I've been using it forever, for years probably, and it doesn't even seem like there's like a little bit of a dent there, but I'll keep working on that, but I don't even think I'm gonna hit pan on this by the end of the year. Now I've got this ColourPop highlighter in the shade Lunch Money. I've used this a few times since starting the project. There is a bit of a dip in there. I just feel like I haven't used it enough. I've been more so focusing on the Laura Geller one. This Ofra Pillow Talk highlighter. I think I said in the intro that I wanted to use it a few times to see if I even wanted to keep it in the project pan or see what I wanted to do with it, but honestly, I've kind of forgotten about this one. So I need to make a point to focus on this one some more. I just picked one eyeshadow palette to focus on in this product. This is the Too Faced Natural Eyes. Super old and loved. I do have a good bit of pan in this one. I mean, well, some of the colors. I have been using this one a lot, but I don't know. I don't feel like you can see much of the progress I've made since the intro, but this is some great everyday shades. As far as some of the lip products, this Marc Jacobs lipstick, this is like a sample size. I have had this one in project pans before and it is almost done. I'm gonna keep working on it. I was just thinking that I used to use this when I was panning it before as a cream blush, which is really pretty for it. This is the shade Cream and Sugar. So I think I'm going to try to get more use out of it doing it that way too. Then I've got a liquid lip from Tarte, and then a Morphe and a NYX lip gloss. I have been using these, but I just feel like it's hard to like see the progress on. I think I'm almost done with the next one, and the Morphe one, I don't know, I feel like there's a good bit left in it, but I'm gonna keep working at it. And then this Tarte one, I think probably by the end of the project, even if I'm not finished with it, I'm gonna declutter it just because it is getting old. As far as the foundations, now a lot of these I put in the project pan to see if I wanted to pan them. Yes, Luke. Sorry, he's looking out the window over there. Or if I wanted to just declutter. So I decided with the NARS one that I am going to try to pan it, and as you can see, like, that's it all the way rolled up. But you know how like stick foundations, they kind of go like deep down, so I've been using a brush to like get product out. I do really like this one, and I think I will be able to pan it, so I'm going to keep working on that. These two NARS ones, I was kind of like questionable about these because I felt like these are kind of getting old, and neither of them are correct shade for me right now. But I do feel like they still have some life in them, so I've actually been mixing these two to kind of get a better shade match and try to use them up. I don't know, hopefully I'll be able to pan these. They are getting older, so I might just have to declutter them at the end of the year. Oh my goodness. Then these three, the Maybelline Matte and Poreless, the MAC Studio Fix Fluid, and the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy. These, I feel like I've been using them, like kind of like rotating them around. I'm not ready to completely declutter them yet. I want to get some use of them. I just don't feel like I like any of these that much. But since they also have a good bit left in them and they're still good, I want to try to keep using them, but we'll probably declutter them soon. Now, these three products here, honestly, the Benefit Roller Lash, this liquid eyeliner, I've kind of forgotten about, and I don't do wing liner on an everyday basis, so I got to make a point to use this more. This is terrible. I should just go ahead and declutter this. Benefit Highbrow, this has been through so many declutters and project pans, and I just still never use it. I don't know. I'm going to try it one more time, maybe until the next project pan update that I do, but I don't know what it is. I like it and always wanted it so bad when it came out, but I just don't use it. The Benefit Brow Contour Pro. I do like this one. It's pretty much used up, like the two actual brow shades I've used, and then the two highlighter or definition shades I have been using a tight line with. So they are good colors for that. So it's not really the purpose that it's supposed to be for, but that is a way I've been able to get use out of it. Matchbox Primer Water is one of my favorites. I feel like it's a cult classic product. It just has a tiny, tiny bit left in it, so I will be able to use that up. I'm confident. Hopefully by the next update, this will be done. This Makeup Forever powder is a favorite. It is gotten some, like, it has a lot of pan on it, so I'm almost done with it, but it does have a lot of hard pan. I don't know. I'm going to use it up as best I can. I don't know that I will be able to completely use it up because, like, it's just kind of, you know, getting loved and old, but we're going to keep working at this one. Fenty Beauty powder. I don't know if you can see. It does have a good bit left in it. It's not my favorite powder. Oh, here he comes. Sit next to Mama. It's not my favorite. I do want to try to keep using it up. I just feel like it doesn't keep me matte. It kind of like makes me oily. Hello, Luke. Urban Decay Velvetizer Translucent Powder. This one, I've honestly, it's still kind of like small and it gets lost in everything, so I'm going to keep trying to make a point to use this, but I haven't made much progress on it yet. This e.l.f. Putty Primer, this is another one that I feel like I kind of like forgot about. I have made some pan on it, but I need to make an effort to use this more because I kind of feel like I might want to just declutter this one, because I think I said in the last video that they did come out with the liquid version of this, which I do want to try, and I kind of feel like I would like better, but I'm going to give this one a few more tries before I do that. Then the last product is the Dr. Brandt Pore Refining Primer. I don't know. I've never been crazy about this one, but I feel like because it was like pricey and really popular, or was really popular when it first came out, I don't know, something in me just like can't bring myself to get rid of it. I've used it a few times throughout the project so far, and I just feel like it's not my favorite, so I don't know. I'm gonna try it a few more times, but hopefully by the next update I'll have made a decision. Okay guys, so that is my first update for my project pan 24 by 2024. So far I have completed 2 products towards the 24 by 2024. I have started with about 30 products total in the project. So like I said, I'm just gonna do this like a rolling project pan. So maybe as I get down a few more products, I'll roll some other things in. Of course, let me know down in the comments if you are doing a project pan right now. I would love to follow along with your progress, or even if you're doing one on Instagram. But that's gonna be it for this video today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos to come. I do have some videos I am currently working on, some of my party planning videos. If you're interested in that, I'm doing one on Luke's first birthday party. We did the theme One Happy Dude, and also my sister's engagement party, which the theme was on Cloud 9. So make sure you stay tuned for that. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye.